My wife said I should start a YouTube channel. Now, I'm not a big fan of long channel introductions, so I'm going to keep this short. Hi, my name is Joe, and I love to build things. And because of this, I've spent my life acquiring a large set of skills and tools to actually accomplish these goals. For years, I've jumped from obsession to obsession, building small engines with machine tools, or wooden boats, electronics, robotics, or even alternative energy. The purpose of this channel is to share my projects with the world, and perhaps inspire someone else to do something even better. So please bear with me, as video making and editing is a brand new skill for me, and I'm learning it on the fly as I always have. Hi, my name is Joe, and this is my channel. I hope you enjoy.